Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to perform any testing in your Visual Studio Code text editor. So first, you'll need to open up a Visual Studio Code text editor session. Then in the left-hand corner, if we hover over to this icon here that is just under the Remote Explorer icon, this is called testing. If you click on that, it will then provide any testing here. Right now, there's no data provider registered that can provide a view on the data, so there's no testing that's allowed at the moment. But if you have data loaded, it will show you any testing here in your Visual Studio Code text editor. So there you have it. This is how you can perform testing in your Visual Studio Code text editor session.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.